Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Story Technology. I am Atish. In today's video session, we are going to see how to move resource from one resource group to another resource group. Like if you can see, here is a one test machine test.pdc which is currently present in test mask resource group. Now we need to move this machine to another resource group. Now we'll start moving this machine to another resource group. Click on machine. Here you can see all these machine details. Then type here move resource. Move across the resource group. Our current machine resource group is test.mars. You can see. So our source resource group is test.mars. Move to the Azure backup RG. Then click next. Add resource. We just want to move our virtual machine test.pdc. Select, you can see it's under the validation status. Once validation is completed, then move to the next, click next. Validation is still pending. Let's start moving. You can see its validation succeed. Then click on next. Source subscription, source resource group, target subscription, target resource group, number of resource move 1. I understand, move. Moving process is started. You can see the moving resource completed. Now we need to check that whether resource is moved or not. Again we come to our VM, then click on refresh. You can see the resource is not available. Again we are come to virtual machines. Here you can see that resource group is changed from test maps to Azure backup 1 RG underscore center India. You can see resource is successfully moved. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel Love Story with Technology, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching.